Okay, so I'm here with Jens to demonstrate burns management. So I've already actually assessed Jens. He was cooking with a deep fryer, dropped something in, and he had oil splash onto him. He called 000. He was instructed to do 20 minutes of cooling under cold water, which he's done, so he's already done his cooling. I've assessed all his obs, they're all normal, and he has no major past medical history. So we're just going to treat the burn now. So if we look at Jens's burn here, it's a nasty burn. We can see that it is 3rd degree, so he's gone straight through to bone, and I can see muscle and all that in there. There's not a lot of bleeding, which is good, and Jens has already told me he's in pain. So Jens, I'm going to do 3 things for you. I'm going to give you some burn aid, which is going to help keep it cool and soothe it. I'm going to wrap it with some cellophane, which is going to make sure that we keep out infection, because that's our major risk. And I'll give you some pain relief. Is that okay?
Cool, please. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll start with my burn aid, which is correct and in date. Open that up, and I'm going to squeeze this out all over the burn. And I don't need to rub it in. I just need to make sure there's good coverage. Good. I'm going to grab my cellophane, or Glad wrap. Okay, now I want to wrap this one longitudinally. That way, if there's any swelling, it won't impact it. And it doesn't have to be tight or anything like that. It just has to cover the area completely to keep out any potential infections. That's good. Now Jens, you've got some pain. You told me it was 8 out of 10. I've got a drug here called methoxyfluorine. Penthrane, you had it before?
I had it before. Broke my ankle playing soccer a while ago.
Excellent, worked well for you?
Yes.
Cool, all right, I'll just do my checks. I've got methoxyfluorine, 3 mils. I'm in date, I'm giving it to Jens. It is 12:40, it's his first dose, and I'm just going to check my contraindications. Now, you've already told me you don't have any medical history, so we know we don't have malignant hypothermia. Your conscious state is fine, definitely no preeclampsia or eclampsia. You've told me your kidneys and your liver are fine, you're over 1 year, and you don't have an allergy.
No.
So I'm going to just prepare this. So even though you've had it before, I'll run you through it one more time. So this only works when it's in your lungs. So I'm going to give it to you in this hand. You can pop that around your wrist if it fits.
Cool.
And just have a couple little sucks on it to get it into your lungs and get the flavour. The more you breathe it in, the more pain relief you'll get. Once you've got adequate pain relief, you can stop breathing. We are going to take you into hospital. That, particularly because it's with the hand, is going to require some specialist care. So I'll transport you in, let me know if anything changes, and we'll head in towards hospital.
Good.
Thanks, Jens.